Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today as we explore the topic of how to become rich. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me ask you all a question. What does being rich mean to you? For some, it might mean having millions of dollars in the bank, while for others, it could simply mean living comfortably without worrying about finances. Whatever your definition may be, know that achieving wealth is within your grasp, but it requires hard work, dedication, and a solid plan. First and foremost, becoming rich starts with setting clear financial goals. You must have a vision for where you want to go financially, whether it's buying your dream home, starting your own business, or retiring early. Once you have a goal in mind, break it down into smaller steps, creating short-term and long-term objectives that will help guide your path towards financial freedom. Now, I understand that many of us struggle with saving money, especially when there are so many temptations around us. However, if you truly want to build wealth, you need to develop good savings habits. Set aside a portion of your income each month, no matter how small, and invest it wisely. Avoid frivolous purchases and instead, focus on acquiring assets that will appreciate in value and generate passive income for years to come. Speaking of investments, I cannot stress enough the importance of diversifying your portfolio. Putting all your eggs in one basket is risky, and the stock market crash of 2008 serves as a stark reminder of this fact. By spreading your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, you reduce your exposure to any single investment and increase your chances of generating consistent returns. When it comes to building wealth, knowledge is power. Continuously educate yourself by reading books, attending seminars, finding mentors, and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who are also striving for success. Seek advice from experts in fields such as finance, taxation, and entrepreneurship, and apply those lessons to your own personal situation. One book that has greatly influenced my approach to wealth building is Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. In it, he explains the difference between an asset and a liability, emphasizing the importance of acquiring assets rather than liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, whereas a liability takes money out. To illustrate this point further, consider the example of renting versus owning property. While both options provide housing, only ownership represents an asset because it generates rental income. Therefore, focus on increasing your assets column and reducing your liabilities column. Of course, becoming rich isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset. Cultivating a positive attitude and believing in yourself is essential to achieving your financial goals. Surround yourself with positivity, visualize your success, and stay committed to your plan even during challenging times. Remember, nothing worthwhile ever comes easy. To maintain motivation, track your progress regularly. Celebrate milestones along the way, and use these accomplishments as fuel to push yourself even harder. Keep in mind that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and patience is paramount. Lastly, don't forget the importance of giving back. As you accumulate wealth, use your resources to make a difference in the lives of others. Whether through volunteering, charitable contributions, or supporting local businesses, sharing your blessings helps create a better world for everyone. Remember that building wealth doesn't necessarily require a high salary. Many millionaires achieved their status through frugal living, wise investments, and side hustles. Focus on maximizing your earning potential while minimizing expenses. Create multiple streams of income. Dependency on a single source of revenue increases financial risks. Consider freelancing, consulting, or affiliate marketing alongside your primary job to boost earnings. Network extensively, both online and offline. Building relationships with like-minded individuals opens doors for collaborative opportunities, referrals, and valuable insights. Attend industry conferences, engage in social media groups, and participate in webinars to grow your network. Avoid debt whenever possible. High-interest loans drain funds and limit growth. Make a conscious effort to pay off existing debts, opting for low-interest alternatives wherever feasible. Establish creditworthiness by responsibly managing borrowed funds. A strong credit score unlocks access to lower interest rates, ensuring reduced costs when obtaining mortgages or car loans. Develop negotiation skills to secure favorable terms in business dealings and employment contracts. Research prevailing market prices, practice active listening, and communicate assertively yet respectfully to negotiate effectively. Exercise emotional intelligence to navigate interpersonal dynamics successfully. Empathy, understanding, and effective communication foster healthy professional and personal relationships, leading to greater collaboration and mutual support. Prioritize lifelong education. Invest in courses, certifications, and training programs to enhance expertise and adaptability within your chosen field. Embrace calculated risks. Wealth creation often involves venturing beyond familiar territory, exploring new ideas, and taking bold steps toward innovation. Assess potential outcomes carefully before proceeding. Cultivate resilience. Financial success entails encountering obstacles and rebounding stronger than ever. Embrace failures as stepping stones toward future triumphs. Maintain mental well-being. Excessive stress impairs judgment and hinders productivity. Engage in regular exercise, meditation, and relaxation techniques to preserve optimal cognitive function. Set boundaries. Refuse projects, engagements, or commitments that detract from pursuing your financial goals. Learn to say no gracefully to protect your time and energy. Delegate tasks strategically. Identify areas where external assistance can streamline processes, allowing you to concentrate efforts on core competencies and strategic planning. Hire specialists for complex tasks. Skilled professionals deliver superior results compared to generalists attempting unfamiliar assignments. Leverage expert services to optimize efficiency and accuracy. Monitor economic trends. Anticipate shifts in markets, industries, and regulations to position your portfolio advantageously. Adapt quickly to seize emerging opportunities or mitigate impending threats. Master salesmanship. Effective selling underpins every facet of wealth creation, from securing promotions to attracting clients. Hone persuasive abilities and cultivate rapport-building skills. Optimize digital presence. Establish an authoritative online persona through blogs, podcasts, or social media platforms. Share valuable insights and establish credibility within your niche. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with established authorities to amplify brand awareness and extend audience reach. Joint ventures and cross-promotion initiatives drive engagement and bolster reputation. Leverage technology. Utilize automation tools, artificial intelligence, and data analytics to improve operational efficiencies and inform critical decisions. Implement systems thinking. View challenges holistically, considering broader implications and feedback loops. Address root causes rather than symptoms to resolve issues permanently. Stay disciplined. Consistency compounds incremental improvements over extended periods. Develop routines and adhere to schedules rigorously to ensure steady progress. Reevaluate priorities periodically. Periodic reassessment ensures alignment with evolving aspirations and circumstances. Update strategies accordingly to maintain relevance. Persevere relentlessly. Overnight sensations seldom exist. Genuine accomplishment demands sustained commitment. Persistence pays dividends in the form of lasting achievements. By incorporating these principles into your wealth-building strategy, you lay a robust foundation for long-term prosperity. Approach the process systematically, embrace challenges, and celebrate milestones along the way. With unwavering persistence, you'll soon see tangible evidence of your progress. Best wishes on your journey to financial independence. In conclusion, becoming rich is attainable with the right combination of hard work, discipline, and smart decision-making. Define your financial goals, save diligently, invest wisely, continuously learn, maintain a positive attitude, and track your progress. And above all else, remain patient and steadfast in your pursuit of financial freedom. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best in your wealth-building journey.